In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to push files from Colab to GitHub. This process is a handy way to manage your project files directly from Google Colab to your GitHub repository, making collaboration and file management a breeze. So let's dive right in and take it step by step. First things first, open up a Colab notebook and start a new code cell. In this cell, we're going to configure Git with your GitHub credentials. Enter the following commands: git config, global user.name, your GitHub username, wistani, and hata git config, global user.email, your email at example.com. These commands set up Git with your current username and email, allowing it to interact smoothly with your GitHub account. Remember, it's crucial to replace your GitHub username and your email at example.com with your actual GitHub username and email address associated with your account. This step ensures that any changes you push are correctly attributed to you. Next, initialize a new Git repository in your Colab environment by typing git init. This command sets up a new Git repository, marking the starting point for version tracking of your project files. Right after that, we need to add all the existing files in your workspace to the staging area by executing git add commit. This essentially prepares your files for the next step, which is creating a commit. Now let's make that initial commit using the command git commit m initial commit. A commit is like a snapshot of your current project state. By labeling it as initial commit, you're establishing a baseline for your project. This might seem a bit technical, but it's a vital step for version control, allowing you to track the changes made to your project files over time. Following that, switch to the main branch with git branch m-main. This creates and moves to the main branch, which is typically the default branch name in modern GitHub projects. Establishing this branch at the beginning keeps things neat and easy to manage. Now, to connect your local environment to your GitHub repository, use git remote at origin https://github.com, your username, your repository git pods. Don't forget to replace your username and your repository with your actual GitHub username and repository name. This step essentially tells Git where your remote project repository lives online. With the connection established, push your local commits to GitHub by entering git push u origin main. This command is the finale, where your changes are sent over to your GitHub repository. To ensure a smoother, authenticated communication with GitHub, you need a personal access token. Head over to GitHub, go to Settings, then navigate to Developer Settings, and finally to Personal Access Tokens. Generate a new token with appropriate repository permissions. Finally, update the remote URL to use this token by executing git remote set URL origin https your token github.com. Your username, your repository. Git, replacing your token with your actual token. This small adjustment uses your token for passwordless authentication. And there you have it. You've successfully pushed your files from Colab to GitHub. Enjoy the power of seamless version control right from your Colab notebook. Until next time, happy coding.